Demonstrating the FiDO today, fire damper opener. We're going to be exercising a fire damper. The old way to do it is to use wood, screws, screwdriver, and prop it up, stick it in there, cut the wood. We're getting rid of all that. And we're going to be using the new FiDO. Opens and closes and exercises the fire damper. So we're going to try that first. We're going to go in there. So the first thing we do is there's little tabs inside here. And these tabs hold the fire link on. And the best way to do that is to bend these tabs down a little bit. They're bent up all the way. When they're up high, you can't get this link off, and you're going to drop it, and then you won't be able to find it. We can see through the top, but you won't be able to find this. So we're going to bend this tab down a little bit before we even get started. Put the FiDO inside. And we can use a few different options. Got a drill, which makes it fast. We can use the ratchet for tighter spaces, or a right angle drill. These are all 3/4, and you put it right on the end. So we're going to lift it up first, and we're going to be taking off the link. So we're just going to support it just briefly, take off the link. So we're holding it up. This is usually the dangerous part, is because you're taking off the link, and these are spring loaded. Didn't shoot down. You'll see that in a second. So I got the link off. Hold on to that. Bring some extras. Now we're going to exercise the fire damper. There's two ways to do this. We can bring it down with the down lower so it doesn't snap down, or we just yank this out and let it go out. I'm going to bring it down slow. So now you've got it down. It goes all the way down and locks into place down below. So now your fire damper is activated, or exercised is more the better word. Now you want to be able to get it back up and push it back up and put your link back on. The fire damper opener, we're going to make it level again. It's not level right now, so we're going to level out these two so it comes in better. Oh, a little fast. We can use the right. I can even do it by hand. So I'm making these level right now. We're going to shove this in and lift up. This is a locking fire damper, so it's not easy to do. You have to get this thing underneath, get this fire damper up, get the blades underneath, and we're going to lift it back up. Obviously you got to arrange this so that it sits so you can get the fire link back on. So now we're back up. We've exercised the fire. We're going to put this link back on again. There's a hook on the other side. Hooks up. Bend your link back up. Drop your FiDO back down. Voila, we just exercised the fire damper per code for a lot of places. That's it. Save some time, save some energy, keep your hands out of the ductwork.